back, guys. So last time I showed you guys my Samsung S8 Plus that's cracked it open. I'm not sure it's a bad design or just the phone got overheated. You can see now the back cover, it got pushed further out. Look at that. Now it looks very horrible now. So that's why I ordered a battery over here that I'm going to do the unwrapping for you guys to check it out. So this one on this side is kind of sealed tight still, but anyway, let's go and then check out the battery. Guess they come with the tools. Come with the suction cup. Wow. 2 of the guitar peg. Two prying tools, and then 3 metal tools. And then here's the battery. Show you guys what this look like. So here's the battery. It says Samsung. And it shows 2017. I don't know, it's supposed to be a new battery, so I gotta check it out with the seller. It looks kind of used or refurbished. And there's like a sticky stuff right here on the top. And here's the connector. Yeah, so I need to pop that open, and then there are like screws. Then I need to pry out or unscrew it with the Phillips screwdriver, and then take those. I believe there are like 15 screws that I need to remove, and then remove the Qi charging pad. Yeah, so that will be another tutorial. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and then I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.